The universe is vast, beautiful, and absolutely terrifying. From black holes that devour everything, to forces that could destroy Earth in seconds. Today we count down 10 scary facts about the universe that will keep you up at night. Stay until the end. Number 1 will shock you. See you in the next one. In 10 to the power of 100 years, a number so large it has no name, the last black hole will evaporate. No stars, no planets, no heat, no light, just empty, cold, infinite darkness, forever. Everything that ever existed, gone. Every memory, every person, every civilization, as if none of it ever happened. The Fermi paradox asks, if the universe is so large, why haven't we found any alien life? One terrifying answer. Something kills all intelligent life before it can spread through the galaxy. Scientists call it the Great Filter. Some believe we haven't hit it yet. It's still coming. A magnetar is a type of neutron star with the most powerful magnetic field in the known universe. If one appeared 1,000 light-years from Earth, it would strip the iron from your blood before you even knew it existed. The closest one to us is 50,000 light-years away. For now, some of the world's top physicists believe our entire universe might be a computer simulation, run by an advanced civilization we can never reach or contact. Elon Musk says the chances we are not in a simulation is 1 in billions. Are you real? Nobody actually knows. Dark energy, a mysterious force we still don't understand, is pushing the universe apart faster and faster every second. In billions of years, this force will become so strong it will tear apart galaxies, then solar systems, then planets, then atoms themselves. Scientists call this the Big Rip. Near a black hole, time slows down dramatically. If you spent 1 hour near the edge of a black hole, 7 years would pass on Earth. You could leave today, come back in what feels like a day, and everyone you know would be dead. The star UY Scuti is so large, if placed where our Sun is, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Our Sun, which could fit 1 million Earths inside it, is just a tiny dot compared to what's out there. In 1859, a solar storm called the Carrington Event hit Earth and set telegraph machines on fire. If the same storm happened today, every satellite, every phone, every power grid would go dark. Scientists say there's a 12% chance this happens in the next 10 years. Right now, billions of rogue planets drift through the galaxy. No star, no orbit, completely dark and invisible. Scientists believe there may be more rogue planets than stars, and we would never see one coming until it was too late. Space looks full of stars, but here's the truth. 99.9999999% of all matter is empty space. Even your own body is mostly emptiness. If you removed all the empty space from every human on Earth, we would fit inside a sugar cube. Think about that. Which fact scared you the most? Comment below. We read every single one. If this video blew your mind, hit subscribe. We post facts like these every week. See you in the next one. Every atom in your body was forged inside a dying star billions of years ago. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all of it came from stars that exploded long before our Sun even existed. You are not just looking at the universe. You are the universe, looking back at itself. On every beach, every desert, every sandbox on Earth, scientists estimate there are about 7.5 quintillion grains of sand. But the observable universe contains an estimated 1 septillion stars. That is 100 times more stars than grains of sand on our entire planet. And we have only discovered a tiny fraction of them. When you look at the night sky, you are looking into the past. The light from the nearest star takes 4 years to reach us. Some stars you see tonight, their light left before humans even existed. Some of those stars are already dead. You are seeing ghosts. In movies, space explosions are loud and dramatic. In reality, space is completely, absolutely silent. Sound needs molecules to travel. Space has almost none. If the sun exploded right now, we would see it in 8 minutes, but we would never hear it. Total silence, forever. Everything we can see, every star, every planet, every galaxy, makes up only 5% of the universe. The other 95% is dark matter and dark energy. We cannot see it. We cannot touch it. We have no idea what it actually is. Scientists have been trying to figure this out for decades. The universe is mostly made of something completely unknown. If you fell into a black hole feet first, the gravity pulling your feet would be so much stronger than on your head that your body would stretch like spaghetti. Scientists actually call this process spaghettification. You would be stretched thinner and thinner until you became a stream of particles. And from outside, someone watching would never see you fall in. Time would appear to freeze for you at the event horizon, forever. The coldest possible temperature in physics is minus 273 degrees Celsius, absolute zero. Nothing can be colder. The average temperature of the universe right now, minus 270 degrees Celsius. Just 3 degrees above the coldest anything can ever be. The universe is almost at rock bottom cold, and it gets colder every year as it expands. And that brings us to the end of today's mind-blowing facts. The universe is stranger, scarier, and more beautiful than we can possibly imagine. We are tiny specks on a pale blue dot, floating in an infinite ocean of mystery. If these facts made you think, hit the like button. If you want more facts like these every week, subscribe to Cosmic Truths. Drop a comment below. Which fact blew your mind the most? See you in the next one. Before we end today, here is one final thought. The Voyager 1 spacecraft was launched in 1977. It has been traveling for nearly 50 years at 60,000 kilometers per hour, and it has barely left our own solar system. The nearest star to us, at that same speed, would take 70,000 years to reach. The universe is not just big, it is incomprehensibly, impossibly, terrifyingly large, and we are just getting started exploring it. Think about this for a moment. Every single person who has ever lived, every king, every scientist, every warrior, lived and died on a single pale blue dot. A dot so small that if you held up a penny to the night sky, it would block thousands of galaxies behind it. We are small, but we are curious, and that curiosity is what makes us human.